Are you curious about Debian and Arch Linux? Both are popular choices for Linux users, but they serve different needs. In this video, we'll compare these two operating systems to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Debian and Arch Linux are powerful tools for anyone looking to use Linux. They provide a stable environment and a wide range of software options. However, they differ significantly in how they approach installation and updates. Let's start with Debian. Debian is known for its stability. It has a large community and a wealth of documentation. This makes it a great choice for beginners. Debian uses a package management system called APT, which simplifies software installation and updates. It focuses on providing a reliable experience perfect for servers and everyday use. Now, let's look at Arch Linux. Arch is all about customization. It follows a rolling release model, meaning users always get the latest software. Arch has a steep learning curve, but it's loved by advanced users who want complete control. It uses a package manager called Pacman. This allows users to easily install and manage software, but it requires more hands on work. So, what are the key differences? Debian prioritizes stability and ease of use, while Arch focuses on flexibility and cutting edge software. If you prefer a hassle free experience, Debian is for you. If you enjoy tinkering and want the latest features, Arch is the way to go. In terms of features, Debian offers a solid base with many pre built packages. Arch, on the other hand, gives you the freedom to build your system from the ground up. When it comes to pricing, both are free to use, which is a big plus. In conclusion, choose Debian for a stable, user friendly experience. Opt for Arch if you want to customize and stay on the cutting edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.